The following message has been transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. At 2:47 p.m., Mountain Daylight Time, NASA's experiment with their new invention that was announced worldwide yesterday, went horribly wrong as the device exploded, killing those near the machine and shooting a quarter-sized black hole down through the Earth, causing it to end up in the center of the Earth. A black hole is a region of space with such strong gravitational effects that nothing, not even particles, such as light, or radiation can escape from inside it. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. NASA is currently working on a solution to fix this incident. Stay tuned for more updates and information. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted at the request by the Federal Emergency Management Agency in the United States government. The situation that was going on with NASA 7 minutes ago has worsened. There have been many reports of trees, people, buildings, and roads collapsing or getting sucked into the ground, disappearing from sight and killing residents instantly. NASA has confirmed that the quarter-sized black hole, now known as 4D10, is slowly sucking the planet from the inside. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. NASA has stated that they have a way to stop the black hole and attempt to destroy it completely. The President will speak on all stations shortly. Stay tuned for more updates and information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NASA's attempt to destroy the black hole, or 4D10, has failed. Everyone at the NASA station was killed instantly as the black hole sucked the building inwards, causing it to collapse and disappear from sight. This is a very life-threatening situation. More than half of the planet has been sucked into the black hole and it is unknown when the rest of the planet will disappear, but it is estimated to be in the next 5 minutes for the last of the planet to be sucked in. The President has also been killed from this situation and it is only a matter of time before you die. Please stay tuned for the final playing of the national anthem. God bless America.